to the channel. I am Dr. Goat, and today I'm just giving you a little overview and showing you our new vehicle that me and Jade just recently got. So I started to make a video on this about 3 weeks or so ago when we actually went to get this. The whole plot of it was going to be that we were trading in the Cruze to get this, and just all the paperwork and everything. I didn't end up making a video on it, so I figured now I would just kind of show you what we did. Sorry to everybody that was here for the Cruze, but she is gone. I am happy with this though. Just, you know, it's completely different from any of the other vehicles that I've had on the channel, and I love having the variety here. So yeah, this is a 2010 Jeep Wrangler, two-door, obviously. It's got the 6-speed manual, and being a 2010, it has the 3.8 liter V6. I'm gonna go ahead and walk around the Jeep now, show you guys what I do and don't know about the Jeep, and just the things that I can tell you have been done to it. So far we haven't done anything to it, but yeah. Alright, so like I said, this is a 2010 Jeep Wrangler Sport. I hear my phone going off in there, of course. The front and rear bumper, I could not figure out what brand they were for a while. I had to do some little researching on them, but they are Smitty built, and as you can see, we have a Smitty built winch in there as well, with the synthetic rope, which I am pretty happy about that. Again, not sure what kind of headlights these are, but they are LED with the little rings on them. Not sure again on the brand of grill here, but I do, well, that may be the brand up in there, if you guys can read that. XPRITE. I really like the aggressive look this front end has. And of course you can see the light bar up front. Nothing really done in the engine bay there, and that is a mess. Right here we have Pro Comp wheels, which are 17s that are wrapped in some BF Goodriches. All-terrain TA Baja Champion. So these are 35s. Not really sure what size lift is on this, but we're assuming it's either a 4 or 4.5 inch lift. I don't know. I really like the way this thing looks though. Yeah, like I said, the rear bumper here is also a Smitty built bumper with the swing out gate, full size spare. There is a backup camera there, which actually doesn't work. I've got a new one coming that I'll try to do kind of a little install on it. Got one of these big old jacks. I honestly don't. Yeah, Bulldog. Never used one of these things before. Hopefully I don't have to. And then, as you can tell, it's a soft top, but as you can tell, it's a soft top, but this actually came with a hard top, and personally I do enjoy the hard top better. I like the way they look a little bit more. Our whole reason for getting the soft top is just to make it easier for like a beautiful day like today. Like I literally just got out of work, you can throw the top back and cruise. Whereas the hard top, obviously you can take your little Freedom top off up front, set those in the back or whatever, but you can't get that experience with taking the whole thing down. So that being said, we did keep the hard top. We're still going to use that for in the winter time. I just thought, you know, for summertime and that, with the beautiful weather, it's just nice to be able to by yourself pull it down, put it back up, whatever you want to do, you know, whenever. You don't need someone to help you lift off the hard top like that. So yeah, we got that used, $250, pretty damn cheap actually, so I was pretty happy with that. So yeah, that's definitely going to be nice. Okay, so as you can see right in the back seat here, this is a mess right now. I've got my lunch box and my little bag for my GoPro and the side windows laying down there. But that's just standard stuff. Nothing unusual there. Like I said, it is a 6-speed manual. As far as I can tell you, we've got these switches right here, which I'm not sure if these two are even wired up to anything, but you know, I've flipped them on and off and can't get them to do anything. This top is wired to the headlights there, just the little LED ring around it, and then this is for your light bar. Aftermarket radio, if you can see that, it's just a Kenwood cheap radio, but you know, at least you've got Bluetooth now, and it's got this rugged ridge little top here, which is actually pretty nice to, you know, be able to just stick your phone up in here. You got that extra little storage area now. And oh, of course, you got your little handles here. Other than that, I believe that's actually everything that's been done to this, at least that I can see, you know, firsthand without truly going over everything. And I have looked this over quite a bit, but yeah, it's just a little walk around and overview of everything that's been done. So if you guys enjoyed the video, if you like the Jeep, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Drop a comment down below. Let me know any modifications you think we should be doing to this, or any videos you'd like to see of this. Like I said, I know it's a big change from my whole, you know, cars, everything, but I gotta be honest and just say, you know, like I love all types of vehicles, anything with an engine, and I can't just keep myself to making one certain type of video with one certain car when I've got a love for all of them. So yeah, be prepared for more Jeep content, more Subi content, of course. I love that car still, and GTO is getting fixed right now, the red GTO that's been gone for 2 years now, so you'll be seeing some of that real soon too. But as always, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.